So first thing you have to do is to steer all the way to the right to have access to this cover. Here we can see two screws there. Okay, there is a cap. You have to unclip it by rotating it. And take it off. There is the problem. Our bulb. You just have to unplug the cable and then rotate the bulb. There it is. When you want to do the installation, you have to take this plastic out and put it on the new bulb. You can do it like so. Unclip this and you can see here two holes, this one and this one. It has to be aligned with the new bulb.